Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my recipe, an easy cheat. I'm going to do shrimp and sausage, and if you want this non-pork, just get beef sausage and omit the bacon. So what I have is a large bag of jumbo shrimp, raw, peeled and deveined. There's only half of it in there, and I'll show you later why there's only half a bag of shrimp. I've got seafood stock. Took a long time for me to find that. I even checked on Amazon. Only one store in my area has it, and that's Walmart. And I have a cheater, the Roux mix. Roux normally takes 30 to 45 minutes to get it a nice deep color. You never want it any lighter than peanut butter, but the darker the richer the flavor. And also by Tony's, I'm using this Creole seasoning. I've snipped bacon with my scissors. I've got scallions for the garnish, because that's the way I like it. Then I've got Polish kielbasa. Like I said, if you want to use beef, you can. And for most Creole dishes, you have to have the Trinity. So I've got onion, garlic, bell pepper, and celery, and a little knob of butter. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. Tonight I'm going to make a quick, easy, it only takes maybe 30 minutes top, because you can make the roux with the Tony's Easy Roux Mix. 1 cup of roux, 2 cups of stock. It asks for water, but I'm going to use stock. I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause. The only thing I have to chop up is the sausage. This is on the table in 30 minutes. I'm going to have it tonight with cheese grits, and I'm going to have one more serving tomorrow with rice, and I'm going to show you the trick of why there's only half a bag of shrimp there. So let me put you on pause. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, I've cut up my kielbasa, and I'm just lightly trying to get some color on it and brown it, because you know it's fully cooked when you buy it. You don't have to cook it, but to me it brings out the flavor to go ahead and saute it. And you guys know I upload 2 videos a week and always include inspirational quotes. And in this video I have a giveaway. When this video goes up, it'll be in the description box, and all the rules are in there according to YouTube. You'll have to watch this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and you need to share it with 3 people, and you must leave a comment, because that's how I'm going to verify the winner. There's so many scammers and shammers out here. That's the only way I can guarantee to YouTube to honor their contract that the person actually receives their gift. As you see, it's getting some color on there. So after I get this all browned or some color on it, I'm going to put you guys on pause, come back and show you the next step. This moves really fast. The hardest part of this recipe is cutting everything up, so I'll be right back. Okay everyone, you can see it has some color on it. I have it on high. I'm going to go ahead and dump this out and then move on to the next step. And this is my subscriber appreciation video, because I have 1,000 subscribers and I'm really happy and blessed. I'm going to use some bacon, and like I said, if you don't want pork in it, do not add the bacon. I'm just going to saute this bacon for a little while and get this going and get this nice and cooked. Just kind of crispy. Into this, I'm going to add a knob of butter, and I'm going to add my Trinity. And with most, almost all Cajun or Creole cooking, you need the onions, the bell pepper, and the celery. It's called a Trinity. I have 5 cloves of garlic there, because I like garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. I'm going to cook this down so the bacon is crispy and the vegetables are really, really soft. And I just wanted to thank everybody. When I seen everybody start from 0, even including Mr. Beast, who makes $40 million a year, and I don't know how many million subscribers he has. I really don't watch his videos. They're not really for me, because you know I like to cook and I like to eat. So I basically watch cooking videos. So I'm just going to keep sauteing this until this gets nice and soft, and then I'll go ahead to the next step. So let me put you guys on pause and get this going. Okay guys, I've been cooking this a good 5 minutes, trying to render out all the fat that I can possibly cook out of it. Now I'm going to add some Tony's Creole seasoning. You always want to season in layers. And add that to it, and cook that in, so that way it's full of flavor. And yeah, I'm very appreciative of my subscribers. I've been online for about an hour, a year, doing YouTube videos. It's a hobby. I still work full time, for those of you that know me. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of the Tony's Roux seasoning mix. I'm going to add that in. and cook that in the oil. Get that going. Some good flavor. Yeah, if you're gonna do this by hand, and most people that do, you would need to add the butter and flour. This would be flour, and you would cook this 30 maybe to 45 minutes, and you would have to baby it big time because it will burn really easy. And it, like I said, it doesn't pick up, the flour doesn't pick up the rich flavor you need for Creole food until it's peanut butter, at least peanut butter color. So I'm just sauteing this in there like that. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of chicken stock. Now Tony's on the container, it says you can use water, but I'm trying, you know, I always have to elevate things a little bit. So I'm gonna add 2 cups chicken stock. I'm sorry, not chicken stock, I apologize, this is seafood stock to this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 because it seems mighty thick to me, and I don't want my want it very thick. And this will thicken up on standing. I made this once before, but I didn't make this big a batch. So I'm just stirring this, and then I want to whisk this with my whisk and get this all mixed in. Got my heat pretty much on high heat. You know what, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and add some more stock to this. Like I said, I don't like it thick, and this comes in 32 ounces, which is 8 times 4 is 32, is 4 cups. So I've pretty much added all 4 cups to this. Now I'm just whisking this. I'm gonna put my temperature back on high and get this all mixed and smooth together. I'm gonna add the whole thing. I'm going to show you then how I can't eat all this in a couple days. And with the seafood in there, it won't keep in the refrigerator but a couple days, maybe 3 days max. So what I'm going to do, that's why I only showed you half a bag of shrimp. I am going to not put all the shrimp that was in the bag in there. I only added a half a pound, and that way when I go to freeze this, I will eat all the shrimp out of it and freeze it like this, and it'll keep in the refrigerator for 90 days. We'll get you guys on, put you guys on pause and get this almost finished, add the sausage back, and then I'll be ready to eat. Okay, so I've had that sauteing for a good 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add my sausage back in that has already been sauteed. And this is where I add the shrimp that I've rinsed and cleaned. And like I said, this is half a pound of large shrimp. And I'm going to, like I said, eat a bowl tonight and a bowl tomorrow. And then I'm going to make sure I eat all the shrimp out of it. And then I can freeze this in the freezer, and it will keep for 3 months. And then when I want it, I can just add more, warm it up like I'm doing now, and add the shrimp to it. I'll put you guys back on pause, cover it, let the shrimp cook, and then we're all set, and I'll tell you guys my joke. Here everyone, there you have it. There's the pot of sausage and shrimp Creole style with the Creole Roux, made easy with Tony's. I'm gonna pull this, I'm gonna show you my bowl. I used cheesy grits today. Tomorrow I'm gonna have it over rice, and I've taken out half the shrimp. I'm gonna put this in Ziploc bags once it cools, and I'm gonna put it in the freezer. The next time I have a craving, all I have to do is warm this up, throw some fresh shrimp in there, let the shrimp cook, and I'm ready to eat again. And there you have it. That's cheesy grits. I've added chopped bacon and some scallions on top. So here's my joke. I need everyone to wish me luck. I have a meeting at the bank later, and if all goes well, I'll be out of debt. I am so excited I can barely put on my ski mask. Yeah, I know that's sick. I thought it was kind of funny. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And like I said, the contest, the giveaway is in this video. So you have to subscribe, you have to share this with 3 people, and you must leave a comment. And it's only for United States citizens. I apologize. And the YouTube contest picker is going to pick the winner. So if you don't adhere to the rules, your name won't spin and be one of the choices. So I just want to thank everyone for watching. God bless. I'm so grateful for you guys who tune into my videos, and have a good evening.